Are you trying to start a business, but like you're so scatterbrained and you have this to-do list and you have various notes and tasks that you got to do, and then you got to think of your mission statement, you got to think of your values, you got to think of like, oh, what campaigns, this is a good campaign, this is a good idea for a business, this is a good idea for a video, for my business, for my product, for my service. You're not alone. And honestly, if I didn't have AI, I wouldn't have gone as far as I have in business so far. And so what we're going to do, I'm going to show you right now, real quick, the best use case for AI today. And the best use case is to do a brain dump onto a document and then upload that brain dump. That's you, your to-do list, your thoughts, everything like that, or a conversation with your partner, and put that into a document, put that into the AI, ask it what to do, and it will tell you. And it's so smart, it's so good. And I have an example here for you. So let's take a look here. So I have come up with this example brain dump here. And here's what it is. This is very similar to what mine looks like, okay? To-do list. Let's say yesterday I came up with a to-do list. Come up with 15 character max for my business name. If you don't know, if you didn't watch my video that's on my channel, 15 character limit is the limit for X, formerly known as Twitter, and everything else, that's the limit for all the social media, by the way. Check domain name, check social media, buy domain, get professional email using your Google Workspace, get your EIN, register the business state, success, boom. Okay, that's one to-do list. And then I recommend you also have your random thoughts. Whatever comes to you, you know you're going through your day, if you're trying to get your business going, you have these thoughts come in, take out your notepad, take out the notes app on your phone, take out this document, start a document on Google Drive, just start typing, start writing all your ideas on there. So I have an example business here. I want my knitting business to include a course in physical products. I can make the physical products in-house until demand is insane. People have done this. I've seen people do this. My exact process for making the product is as follows. Step 1, source the yarn. Step 2, knit a hat in one color. Step 3, package that. Step 4, put the logo on the package. Step 5, put a special handwritten message in the package. That's that next level stuff. That was your original idea that you just came up with right there. I envision my knitting business to become the go-to knitting business. My partner and I believe that all cats should have a knitted hat, and we believe in making the product to the best of our ability and quality. We also love cats. Oh, I can make a TikTok where we zoom in on a cat and then poof, a smoke effect, and then the cat has our yarn hat. And then we use the meow, 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 meow music. You guys have heard that music. You've been on social media. You know what I'm talking about. Anyways, then you have another to-do list. Get organized. Nothing else on that to-do list. Then you have more thoughts. Oh, our brand, Meow Yarn. We believe that all cats should feel loved and should have a hat. And should have a cute hat. Should have a cute hat. I don't know. I'm just making this up. And then you have a conversation transcript with your partner here. You record the audio. You can even record the audio and just literally throw in the audio in what I'm about to show you. So let's say you get an example. This is an example brain dump here. What you're going to do next is you're going to go to, it's called aistudio.google.com. Here it is. Let me zoom in on that. aistudio.google.com. And it's going to take you to this page. And you will see this exactly. You'll see Google AI Studio is the fastest way to start exploring and building with Gemini, our next generation family of multimodal generative. It is an amazing AI. It's better than OpenAI. I'm saying it right now. Better than all the AIs I've tried so far, honestly. And so you're just going to consent here. You're going to read that if you want to read that. And then if you want to receive emails, boom, 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 boom. There you go. I accept. Then you're going to come here. Boom. You already have access to everything. Look, make sure you're on the right model here. Let's zoom in on this. Gemini 2.0 Pro Experimental Flash. This is such a good model. It is such a good model. This is the latest model. February 5th is what the 02-05 stands for. But Gemini 2.0 Pro Experimental 020-05. Okay? Then you're going to come here. Here's what you're going to put for the system instructions. The system instructions basically tells the AI what it is. You could say you're a construction worker, you're a yarn maker, you're a whatever. So I'm going to say here, and this is what I did for myself and for other business owners that I've been in a mastermind with, and I'm in multiple masterminds. And so far together, we've all come to the same conclusion that this is working amazing and making things so much easier for them to create content, to make their websites, to write their newsletters, to critique their website, to create, whatever it is. So many things that you can use from this. So you're going to use this prompt, and I'm going to put it in the description as well. You are a helpful business consultant, expert in building personal brands. For me personally, I put this in there, expert in building personal brands. You can change that into brands, expert in building brands if you have like a product or a service or something as your business, right? For me, it's personal brand. And for this example, it's brand, actually. Expert in building brands, expert in content creation and branding and identifying. I put branding there twice so it gets the fact that it wants branding, and identifying revenue generating opportunities for them. Okay? So boom, you're going to put this, you're going to grab this, copy, and you're going to come here and you're going to paste it there. Boom. Okay, great. You don't have to press enter or anything. And then you're going to come down here. You're going to then put this message. Knowing all of the following, I was recommended to first define my niche and style. Help me do this. I recommend if you're in the thinking conceptual stages of your business and you're thinking about how am I going to present this to everybody? How am I going to do this? Define your niche and your style first. And if you have all your random thoughts and everything, especially if you're a personal brand, that is going to look amazing. So here you go. You're going to copy and paste this, and then you're going to shift enter, and you actually just press enter because this one only runs if you press control enter. And then you're going to come back to your brain dump, and you're going to come here and you're going to say blah, 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 to-do list, blah, 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 blah. You're going to copy this, and then you're going to come back here to the prompt studio, and you're going to just paste it. And you can have it very, 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 very long. And you're going to press enter. And let's see what it comes up with. Okay, let's break down your niche and style and get you on the path to Meow Yarn success. You got a great foundation of passion, a clear product, and a fun initial marketing idea. Here's a structured approach to defining your niche and style, incorporating your notes. Core niche definition. Primary niche. Handmade, high-quality knitted cat hats. This is very specific, which is excellent for starting out. It allows for focused marketing and product development. Let's see. Secondary niche. Expansion potential. Interesting. Knitting courses, likely focused on beginner-friendly projects, possibly even cat-related items. This is your future growth area. Target audience. Cat owners who value quality handcrafted goods and have a sense of humor/whimsy. They likely appreciate cute, quirky, and Instagrammable products for their pets. This is so genius. Think cat-loving millennials and Gen Z. Exactly. And this random idea that I just had for this example video, this is exactly as a starting place. But don't exclude older demographics who love spoiling their pets. Absolutely. Brand style and personality. This is where we translate your thoughts into a cohesive brand identity. Let's see. Playful, whimsical, cozy, high quality, handcrafted, loving, quirky, cat-centric, premium, artisanal. Brand voice, friendly, enthusiastic, slightly silly in a charming way, and passionate about cats and knitting. Imagine you're talking to a fellow cat lover who appreciates a good pun and a well-made product. The TikTok idea fits perfectly with this voice. Visual style, mood board elements. Think about these for your logo, website, and social media. Colors, soft, warm colors that evoke coziness. Think pastels, cream, maybe a pop of a brighter color like a playful pink or teal, etc., etc. The texture of yarn itself, imagery, fonts, a mix of friendly, slightly rounded sans serif, even fonts it's given you. Brand values, quality, love for cats, customer connection, fun and playfulness. Customer connection. The handwritten notes are a fantastic way to build a personal connection with your customers. This fosters loyalty and encourages word-of-mouth marketing. Even for gifts. Don't be afraid to be a little silly. The meow meow TikTok is a great example of embracing this. Brand name considerations. Wow, look at this. Brand name consideration. You already have Meow Yarn, which is excellent. It's catchy, memorable, and directly relates to your niche. Here are a few alternatives just for brainstorming. This is so genius, but I think you got a win. I think you got a winner. I think I've got a winner. If you guys don't take this idea, I'm gonna make it happen. Perfect knits. Meow made. Hold on, I gotta zoom in on this. There you go. Perfect knits. Meow made. Cat Hat Co. Yarn Meow. Knit cats. Check for conflicts and ensure the following: domain name ability, social media handles. Okay, cool. Refining your process. Source yarn. Consider highlighting where you source your yarn. Is it ethically sourced? Is it local? Is it organic? These are fantastic questions. This adds to your brand story and appeals to conscious consumers. We source only the softest, ethically sourced merino wool for our Meow Yarn hats. What the heck is merino wool? Wow. This is our core product. Consider offering a small selection of colors to start. Too many choices can overwhelm customers. Absolutely true. Think about sustainable packaging options. This is your signature touch. Make it personal, cat related. We hope your furry friend loves their new Meow Yarn hat. Your name's in the Meow Yarn team. The course. Use this to teach people to knit for their cat. Revenue generation opportunities, direct sales. Your primary revenue stream is the hats. Upselling, offer sets, create a deal. Offer a deluxe Meow Yarn package that includes a hat, small cat toy made from leftover yarn scraps, and a coupon for your future knitting course. That is freaking genius. Knitting course. This is a digital product with high profit potential. This is a digital product with high profit potential. You can create different levels, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and offer one-on-one virtual coaching sessions, affiliate marketing, partner with cat-related businesses, pet food, toys, grooming supplies. Okay, you're seeing this. Pattern sales, wholesale, subscription box, seasonal products, key takeaways, focus. You can keep going and asking questions now. Because in this chat, it's going to have your brain here. It's going to have this brain. But let's say you didn't like it. Let's say you did like it. And let's say you want to create a website now. Help me, we are not yelling at the AI. Help me create a landing page for a single product. And let's see what it comes up with. Okay, let's build a compelling landing page for your single product. The Meow Yarn cat hat. Since this is your initial focus, a single product landing page is perfect. It allows you to concentrate all your marketing efforts on driving conversions for that one item. I'll outline the suggestions, content suggestions, and key elements. I'll use a structure that follows a proven formula for high converting landing pages. AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, along with best practices. Assumptions. You have a domain name. You have high quality photos of your cat hats. On cats, ideally, yes, you have high quality photos. If you have a good iPhone, good camera on your Android, you can get it done. You have a way to process payments, Stripe, PayPal, etc. Yes, Stripe and PayPal. I actually know of a software that can handle all of that, by the way. Hit me up, look in the description if you want to see that. And then it goes into the landing page, structure and content. So above the fold, hero section, short, catchy, benefit, the perfectly cozy hat for your feline friend. Spoil your cat with the cutest hand-knitted hat ever. Handmade happiness for your cat and you. Level up your cat's cuteness. This is just genius. It is just genius. And I gave it a little bit of information and it's going crazy right now. It's going crazy. And then it says subheadline, handcrafted with love from premium soft yarn, designed for comfort and maximum adorableness. A stunning visual of a cat wearing your hat. Call to action. Shop now. Get yours today. Spoil my cat. Trust signal. Boom, boom, boom. Then you go down. Why? Benefits and features. Social proof. What cat lovers are saying. How it works. This is so genius. This is amazing. Footer, copyright, blah, 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 blah. Social media links, key design principles, mobile first. Yes, mobile first is important. This is so genius. How did it know to optimize for mobile first? Nobody's really using PCs when you're selling products like this, or everybody's on their phone. Everybody's on their phone. Ensure the landing page looks fantastic on mobile devices. Most people will likely view it on their phones. Clean and uncluttered. Use plenty of white space. Avoid overwhelming the visitor with too much text or too many images. Fast loading speed, optimize images, and use a fast loading website builder. Example implementation. This is a very basic HTML to give you an idea. I'm curious about that, actually. Let's download this and let's open the file and use Firefox. Okay, great. Very simple HTML. Looks like Craigslist. Let's go back. I wonder, okay, can you provide a much nicer looking HTML file. I'm testing this out live right now. I have no idea if it's going to do this. It might do it because this is crazy. It might do it. I'm telling you, this AI is insanity. This AI is insanity. But how do you implement this? And that's what you would ask the AI. Okay, great. That's explaining everything. Let's try this one. Let's see. This isn't bad. The perfectly cozy hat for your feline friend. Look at this. Handcrafted with love from premium soft yarn, designed for comfort and maximum affordableness. And then you have a picture of a cat wearing meow yarn hat. Then you have shop now, handmade in the United States of America. And here's your why. My cat Mittens absolutely loves her mellow. Ready to spoil your cat, shop now. 2 buttons. Boom. There you go. There you go. What else do you want? It's so easy to start a business in 2025. Come on. Get going. Do it. Do it. So there you go. This is the best use case for AI right now for most people, I think, in my opinion, because people are scatterbrained right now. Actually, I pulled up this little science here. This is science. A higher intensity of social media use seems to be related to higher levels of ADHD, as well as characteristics of such oppositional behavior, anxiety, and fear of missing out. Other studies demonstrate an association between problematic social media use and ADHD characteristics. Everybody is distracted, and it's your time to not get distracted and instead do something fun. This is fun. Building a business is freaking fun, and it's going to be necessary in the future, because if AI can do this already, imagine what it's going to do by the end of the year. I'm telling you, we are in an exponential race against time for the AI. It is exponentially getting smarter and getting better at everything it does. In fact, here is a tweet from somebody which got a lot of views, a lot of play, and it's because all these people have said stuff. You start to worry when major AI lab CEOs say, like Mark Zuckerberg here, AI will replace mid-level engineers in 2025 at Meta. That is crazy. Dario, AI will write 90% of code within 3 to 6 months and nearly all code in 12 months. If you don't know who Dario is, Dario Amodei is the CEO of Anthropic, which is the Claude AI. It's the Claude AI, and he's an Italian-American artificial intelligence researcher, entrepreneur, co-founder, CEO of Anthropic, which uses Claude AI. And then Sam, which is for Sam Altman. OpenAI internal model ranks 50th in programming and will be number 1 by late 2025. Now, of course, they're all, kind of promoting their AI, but at the same time, they're trying to build hype with their AI. But at the same time, look at what Google just did for you. And look at everything else that I've shown in this channel. Just go through the channel. You can have a free coder right now. You can have a free operator. The AI where it goes and clicks on browsers for you and goes and does stuff for you. It will go and like something, or it go and repost it if you tell it to. If you just type it, go and like at Slow Developers latest post, and it'll go do it. It'll go do it right now. In that video, I show you how to do that. So if you want that link, it's in the description as well, or up there somewhere. Up there somewhere. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just telling you the facts and the reality. I got to keep y'all in check. I got to let you know what's going on in the AI world. So I hope this video helps you in some way. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe. If it doesn't, please make sure to like and subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. I only want you to like and subscribe if I actually provided value to you. So I hope I did. And, time is short. Time is money. Let's build something. Tell me what you're building. Tell me what you want to build. If you're going to take my idea, do it. Take it. I don't know how to yarn. And I don't know if I'm looking for a girlfriend that can yarn, because they might be a little bit older. I don't know. Is that a thing? Or is Gen Z picking up yarning now? I don't know. Anyways, hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.